Denny is going to play banjo, if he can find his banjo. In the meantime, I'll talk about why this song is so special to me. This is a song that I'm going to do for my father-in-law. He isn't here this evening, but he will see this later. My father-in-law was a master of the train yards on several different railroads. He worked as a train yard master in places like East St. Louis, throughout Illinois and Indiana. And trains and railroads are his life. And he's very dear and special to me. And Andrew is really nice to share his dad with me. So I'm going to do this. Even his initials of his first and middle name are RR, like railroads. So he's got hours and hours of train stories. So this is for my wonderful father-in-law, Roy Thomas. And that was really great. Let me get rid of this. It's a song about trains, and it's not Folsom Prison. I'm so excited.
We got banjo.
Can I get more volume on it?
Oh, we lost a guitar though here.
Am I coming through?
There you are.
Life is like a mighty railroad with an engineer so brave. We must make it run successful from the cradle to the grave. Watch the curves, the hills, the tunnels, never falter, never fail. Keep your eyes on the throttle, keep your eyes upon the rail. Blessed Savior, thou wilt guide us till we reach that blissful shore, where the angels wait to join us with God's grace forevermore. As you roll across the trestle, spanning Jordan's swelling tide, you behold the Union Depot, and to which your train will ride. There you meet the superintendent, God the Father, God the Son, with a joyous greeting, weary pilgrims welcome home. Blessed Savior, thou wilt guide us till we reach that blissful shore. father-in-law, the train man.
Thank you, Rebecca. That was fun. Got down to a little roots music there tonight. Yes. And onward.